11 kasi hindi ako makatulog ng maayos kagabi. I don't know why. Akala ko makatulog ako ng maayos kasi uminom ako ng cider, but wrong. Hindi ako nakatulog ng maayos. I don't know why. Nakatulog na ako noon. Tapos itong isa, he's had a do last night. Pagod siya, nananaginip siya, yung nag-iingay. So ayun, ginising ko pag afternoon. I can't go back to sleep. So gumising na lang ako ng maaga. Tapos ang ginawa ko is naglaba ulit ako, then nagplancha sa mga nilabhan ko a day before. So ayun, natupi ko na lahat sila para pag uwi natin wala tayong masyadong labahan. And then nahang ko sa labas kasi weather-wise today is a little bit sunny, so make the most of it. Matuyo naman siguro yun kasi nakaspin naman siya. And now we are heading to Padstow. Ang oras ngayon is, oh blimey, 8 to 11 na. Late na nga. Kasi gumawa pa rin ako ng gumawa ako ng lunch ni James. Kasi bahala na akong magutuman kami ni Mr. Sa lunch time, wag lang yung aming aling maliit kasi grumpy to pag nagutuman. So may baon ako ulit. And ayun siya, oh. Baba, say hiya. Hiya. Come on, no need to smile. Say hiya. Yeah. Adik stable. Wala, no tractor. If you say a tractor, tractor. Ganun yung ano niya. Yung ating pa-attire today, nakasando lang ako. Then naka-jeans. Si Mr. at saka si James na tractor daw, tractor. Si Mr. nakapulo. Silang dalawa ni James. Pero si Mr. naka-jeans. Si James naka-shorts lang. So yes, we're on our way to Padstow. Kami makapag-park sa Padstow. We're already here, pero there's no space for parking, so we're gonna make a move to go in a different place. Try kung may maanong parking dito sa Padstow. No, everything is full. All the car park is full, so
Dylan, we're too lazy to get up today.
excuse me, I'll get up 7 o'clock in the morning, mister. What time did you wake up? Somebody's being grumpy at the back now.
Only woke up at 6.
Yeah, we're making a move now, love. Are you hungry? Hi? You can have your lunch when we get there, okay? We can't park there, though. Yeah, there's no space. So we need to move to the different place.
I'm seeing a tractor either, are you?
We can see a tractor soon. Cheer you up, okay? Nagmamaktol na. Dito na kami. And we found a big car park. Filled siya. Oh, di ba marami pang space. And our view is nice. There. Yung aming view. Facing the sea. Oh dear. What? It's not full. Yeah, where we are now. It's not full. Hi? Lakad-lakad muna tayo. Are you sure this is the exit or just the restaurant? Looks like this restaurant. We need to find the path going down to the... Si James andito naglalakad. Are you hungry, love? Hi? Baba hungry? Hi? Malamig. Maaraw pero malamig. Pisti na kay sleeveless pa naman ako.
What's that? Crackling crab?
Where?
Restaurant.
You wanna go? Or what?
Oh. Yeah, have a walk about.
Okay. Wala na, hindi na ako nakita. Marami din tao dito nagsusurfing, oh. As usual, yung mga tagaw dito, mga kuan Kurimaw. Ayan, puno pa din yung beach. Yung mga Kurimaw na tao dito kay mga ulit og beach. Mag-sunbathing sila na subos, oh. Diba? Samantala ako takot masunog. On the side, there's a campsite. How lovely. It's a nice view, isn't it? Camping ka, oh, mga caravan. Tapos yung view mo, wow. Nice caravan site. Tapos yung view mo ganito. Nice to wake up in the morning, Baba, with this view. Daddy tulak ng pram na walang laman. Stairs going to get some food for lunch. Maliit lang siya na place, wala masyado. So, yan ang last choice namin. Kain tayo. Dito lang kami sa tabi-tabi. James had his lunch. I got sausage roll. Tapos si Mr. Pasty. Do you have pasty, ani? Then, he's got shake. O ako water lang. Kainin ko muna tong maliit na to. Yeah, it's only a grass, love. Don't worry. Bye, little place. See you when we see you. Balik tayo, guys, doon sa Nuki. It's better there. Dito na kami, guys. When we're the other side of Nuki. This part, we're not been here. Kasi usually, doon lang kami farther down. Dito kami sa may malalaking hotel everywhere. And then pubs and restaurant. Hi? No. Cornish pasty. Yan, oh, dito is the Western Hotel. Malalaking hotel yung nandito. Which is the other side. Ano lang siya. Access going down to the beach. And then mga little shop. Dito mostly is restaurant and big hotels. At yung park natin is not restricted kasi we can park as long as we wanted to. Not like they usually we park. No, you can only park 2 hours. It's quite busy here though. Still nice and sunny. Kahit na 3 o'clock. Yeah, past 3. Pero yung araw sobrang tirik pa. At ako naman sobrang sunog na. Sobrang sunog na. They are jealous to my skin. Ang tingin nila sa akin, yayamanin, yatay. Sana all. Kasi dito pag ano daw, pag morena ka, yayamanin. Kasi you can afford for tanning. Here in UK, he said.
stuff.
If you are tan, you're rich because you can afford to do a tanning. Going in the shop. Pero ako, totoong kulay talaga to, beshi. The road is quite busy. Pasok tayo dito, guys. Finally, we found. This is what I'm looking. Cornish cream. It's buy one, get one. So that's... Pasok kami and we're gonna try because it's a free taste. Oh, they got little bottle. That's cute. Isn't it? Souvenir or something bring in the Philippines. Pasok tayo, pasok. Ching, ching. Tignan nyo to, guys. Ang ganda, oh. May maliit ka na bote and then Cornish fudge cream. It's only $6.79. How cool, diba? Ang mura. Makapiright tayo, may music. Marami silang choices. What you think, honey? Did you see the drink? Ah, here's the drink. Here it is. It's got the cream, strawberry and cream, chocolate, fudge, and then fresh, oh yeah, fresh cream fudge, and then they got salted caramel. Wow. I'm tempted to this bloody ice cream, look. Pero hati kami ni Mister. We got the clotted cream with black currant. Hati kami. So, I'm not gonna be at sige. Kain. Dito na kami sa car, guys. Antayin lang namin si Mister kasi nagbabayad siya ng yung buhok ko. Car park. Masarap siya. Grabe, kaiba yung ice cream nila dito. Ewan ko bakit. Sobrang sarap. Hindi ako masyado mahilig sa ice cream, pero pag ganitong mga ice cream dito ay naku, day. Nakakasira ng diet, day. Super creamy yung ice cream. Ewan ko, kaiba talaga. Best ice cream I've ever had in my life. Walang halong etchos yun, ha. Masarap yung ice cream nila dito. Sabi ni Mister kasi dito daw galing yung, alam mo yung mga farmers, marami dito yung sa cow. Refreshing siya kasi may black currant. Ang laki, no? Yung aking aling maliit, oh, tuwa siya kasi binilhan ko ng, what is that, love? Tractor? Sweetheart? Tractor! Wow, lucky boy! Yeah! Tractor! Yeah, tractor. Masaya na siya. Tahimik na. Kasi may tractor na daw siya. Ang tagal naman ni Mister. Di atay maubos ng ice cream. Ay, dito na pala. Okay? Ha? We are back, guys. Somebody's excited with this tractor. You want me open it? Tell me? Yeah, look at his tractor. Look. Wow, tractor. Yeah, we'll open it, love, okay? Yeah. We're gonna open it. We're gonna get the scissor. You can have it. That's it. That's it. Is that it? Yeah, tractor. Wow. That's it. Wow. What I say? Ta. Wow. He's happy with his tractor now. Wow. Is it good? Wow. This little boy loves tractor so much. Then you might. Nakabili pala ako ng ano, guys, squid. Mag-adobo ako ng pusit for my din-din. Ito, oh. Tada! Pusit! Adobohin ko siya for my dinner. Kasi si Mr. steak. Yung nabili pala namin doon sa may, sa may liquor, yung sabi kong Cornish, dalawa kasi buy one, get half price yung isa. So, dalawa yung nakuha namin. We got the strawberry, I think, and the chocolate. So, really nice. Muna ako magbihis. Magpalit ako ng short kasi naka-jeans. And we can sit down before I'm gonna start cooking. And I'm gonna get the washing out. Nasa labas pa yung aking labahan. It's drying though, so good thing. Mag-load ako ulit ng washing later after dinner. Niluto ko na yung aking pusit, guys. And that's how it look like. Yummers. Pinapatuyo ko lang unti yung sabaw niya. Kasi ayoko ng maraming sabaw. So, just gonna let it simmer for a bit. And that's ready. Yum, yum. Ayan na yung ating dinner, guys. Ito yung akin. Adobong pusit. Tapos may unting pansit na natira. Then kay Mr. is gonna have steak. Tapos yung gravy, i-pour ko na lang over the steak. So, it's ready. James, ayan, kumain na. He's had a pasta. Nanonood. Tablet, addict sa tablet. Kaya atay talaga tong batang to. Kain tayo. Tapos na kami kumain ni Mr. Hindi ko nagalaw yung aking pansit. Yung pusit lang kinain ko. And then I did have few pistachio. Kasi uminom ako sa unti ng cider. Kay Mr. yan eh. Yung kay Mr. ang linis ng plato. Wow! Yung aming maliit, oh. Hindi pa tapos. Kasi nakatutok dyan sa tablet. Bilisan mo dong. Maghuhuga si mami dong. Tatapos ko lang maglinis sa kitchen. Tapos, nagload ako ng panibagong washing for tomorrow. And now, ang gagawin natin is magtupi ng nilabahan natin today. Yung aking dalawa, sobrang busy. Ito, oh. Ayun yung isa, uminom na ng gatas niya kasi he's gonna go bed soon. Si Mr. nanunood ng palabas. Naka-headphone, naririndi yata sa boses ko. Ganun kasi, maingay. So yan, magtupi muna tayo. Tulog na si James. May time kami ni Mr. Nagugutom na naman yung aking, dami talaga nagugutom nito. My king wants to be served again. Gusto daw niya ng scone. Bumili kami ng scone kanina, dalawa. First scone. Kasi diba, bumili kami ng clotted cream. This is clotted cream from the shop. You know, yung binilhan namin ng Cornish cream. Tapos na yata yung aking washing. Yeah, tapos na. Isampay muna natin dito. Para bukas ng umaga. Diyan ko muna kayo ilagay ha. Para bukas ng umaga, ilabas ko na lang siya. So, ayun na guys. Natapos na natin pagsampay. And I think now, nakalimutan ko isara yung door. I think now I'm going to bed kasi time is 10:15 na ng gabi. Si James walang kasama sa bed. Ewan ko si Mr. kung matutulog na. Pero sabi niya malapit na daw matapos yung kanyang movie na pinapanood. Sobrang seryoso. And gonna do my skincare now. Magilamos lang ako, mag-toothbrush and ready to sleep. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching and hope to see you in the next one. Nilalamig talaga ako. Stay safe, everyone. Good night. Bye for now. See you tomorrow.